Hi guys, what's up? Welcome or welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to do this beautiful Indian Desi makeup look using affordable products, and it is very easy. So enjoy the video. But please make sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram, and all the links are going to be in the description. So please make sure to check that out. And now let's get started. Starting with the skin tint, this is from Inside. It's their 5-in-1 multifunctional serum foundation, so it's a very beautiful product. So I'm just gonna apply it on my face. It is very lightweight and it's perfect for everyday office, college. I'm just gonna spread it like that. See how skin like this looks. Okay, so the blending is done, and this is how my skin is looking: glowy, healthy, with a coverage. Now to cover my dark circles, I'm going to use this L'Oreal Infallible Concealer, and I'm in the shade 08 Vanilla. By the way, the skin tint shade is Vanilla Frappe number 2. I'm just going to apply this here and here. That's it. Now for the blending, I'm using the foundation brush only and just dab like this. You can also use beauty blender for more natural finish, but the skin tint is already very skin like, so that's why I used brush. Applying on my eyes as well. Don't worry, I'll fix this. Now to fix this inner corner, I'm gonna use this small blending brush or concealer brush. We are done with the blending. Before setting up my face, I'm gonna use this blush. This is from Swiss Beauty. It's their softy blush. It's a very beautiful brush, and it's a very beautiful blush, and I can't stop using this. It's so good. It has the right amount of pigment, blends super easily. See. Now I'm gonna set my makeup on my base with a loose powder, but before that, please make sure to blend under your eyes so that there are no creases. And for the loose powder, I'm using this Innisfree loose powder. It's a very beautiful product. I'm just taking some product on this pizza puff, and now I'm just gonna do this and just dab it like that. Also cover your lids. I'm not setting my whole face, I'm just setting my T-zone and under eyes, because these are the area where I sweat a lot. Okay, so now our base is almost done. Now let's just move on to the eyes. For the eyes, I'm just gonna fill in my eyebrows, and for that I'm using this Mars Brow Better eyebrow pencil. It's a very affordable eyebrow pencil. I'm just gonna do this. By the way, I just bought this elf brow and lash mascara. It's a clear mascara, so I have not even opened this yet, but I'm excited to try this. And let me know if you want like a review or something of this product, because I have not seen as much reviews of this product. But I got these two products from buy one get one, and this is the lip liner. By the way, this is in the shade mauve side, and this is the product. So yeah. Okay, so for now, for the eyes, I'm gonna use this kohl pencil. It's from K by Katrina. If you're looking for an affordable kajal, so you can get this one. It's a very beautiful product. So I'm just gonna tight line my waterline. Okay, so now I'm just gonna tight line my upper waterline. Now I'm just gonna take some light brown shade. I'm taking these two shades and mixing them, and now just apply it all over your crease like this. Apply the same on your lower lash line. You can take any light brown eyeshadow of your choice. Okay, so now for the mascara, I'm going to be using this Essence Lash Princess Mascara. I recently bought this from Zepto and I'm so excited to try this in this video. I'm so excited to try this. I'm trying this for the first time. I'm just going to remove the excess product. I got this for rupees 330 something. And on Tira, you can find it on Tira as well. It's for rupees 400 only. And let's see if it actually worth the hype or not. Okay, so this is the wand. This is how it looks. It's a very different wand. I've never used such wand in any mascara or something. By the way, these are my lashes. What the hell? This is only one freaking coat, and you can see the difference. Like, see. But the only concern is this one is not waterproof. I think the blue packaging one is waterproof mascara. I love this mascara so much. Now I'm gonna apply this on the lower lash line as well. See, so pretty, right? Okay, so the eye makeup is done. Now it's time for the lips and some final touches. So on top of my blush, I'm gonna use this powder blush. It's from Sugar and it's a very beautiful and pigmented blush. So this, and I am going to apply some highlighter as well. For the highlighter, I'm using this Mars Glowzilla palette. I'm just mixing all the shades and I'm also going to highlight my inner corners and my brow bone. Okay, so now for the lips, I'm using this Swiss Beauty lip liner in the shade Dark Chocolate. I'm just gonna line my lips. Now I'm gonna blend this with the brush, this, and now I'm gonna use my favorite lipstick from Mars, and this is in the shade Queen. It's a very pretty brown shade. I'm just gonna apply it in the middle of my lips and this is the final makeup look. Do let me know what you guys think about this makeup look, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.